Sub-Zero Under-Counter Repair Authorized Service in Los Angeles is a premier appliance repair service company, employing only factory-trained Sub-Zero under-counter repair technicians. We service Sub-Zero under-counters and repair Sub-Zero under-counters, as well as Sub-Zero refrigerators, Sub-Zero freezers, Sub-Zero wine coolers, and much more. We have technicians standing by in Los Angeles and the surrounding areas such as Beverly Hills, Santa Monica, Orange County, San Fernando Valley, Malibu, Oxnard, Sherman Oaks, Brentwood, West Los Angeles, Pasadena, and Burbank. Call us today at 877-309-7770. One of our friendly operators would be glad to assist you in setting up an appointment.